Hello guys, if you're new here, my name is Uwaz. If you've been here before, you know the drill. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this purple glitter look. So if you're here for this, you want to see how I did this, stick around, stay tuned and keep watching. If you've been here before and you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I hope by the time you finish watching this video, you will like what you see and you want to stick around. You need to subscribe, okay? You need to subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button. So easy and it's free as well. Okay guys, so without further delay, let's dive into the video. First thing I always do when I'm doing my eyes is to prime my eyelid. So to do that, I'm gonna take this eyeshadow base by P. Louise. The color I'm using is color number 2. So we're just going to apply that all over the lid. Basically what I intend to do was just to talk to you guys about my YouTube journey so far. So now I've kind of blended everything. I am taking a color from this Morphe palette. I've used this before. I'm going to take this color just to set the base. I'm using the same brush as well. You know, like the live, I was able to answer a lot of questions. If you have questions about your oily skin, I talked about product to use, a product that I have used personally and it has worked for me. So if you want to give it a try, you want to try it out and see for yourself, just go and watch that video. I'll leave the link to that video in the description bar. Today, look, I am taking most of my colors from this palette. The first shade I'm going in with is this one. I am going to put that around my crease line, and I am going to be taking this brush by Techniques. So I'm just going to pack all of that here. So guys, like I was saying about being a new YouTuber, it's really not easy, especially when you are just starting out. So for me, hitting a 250 subscriber was like a big deal for me. So I was really happy. If you've been following me for a long time now, you probably, since May actually, you probably noticed I have been kind of consistent posting every week. If you're a small YouTuber, I think I recommend you do this, so it might help you. So that's what has worked for me. That color looks nice. Use a lot of avenue to promote my videos. So, and also, if you want to grow your channel, I think you should look into joining some of this Facebook group. I don't even know how it works, but I joined. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with this brown shade and pack that here. So if you notice what I'm doing, I'm bringing this to this side as well. So kind of creating that V look. But with the first color, I didn't do that. You see the dark shade. So we're just going to continue blending. If you're enjoying my gist, I'm talking about how to grow your channel. I'm still growing. I'm not there yet. So I did promise I'll do another live where I get to answer your questions live and direct when I hit 500 subscribers. So if you're watching me and you still have not subscribed, I just hope by the end of this video I would have changed your mind and you would have hit the subscribe button. Like I was saying, and I did that, I joined a lot of Facebook group. So I comment on any questions that is makeup related or hair related. As you know, my channel is all about hair and makeup. Yeah, I'm going to go back to my Morphe palette and take a dark brown shade just to make that place, to deepen the crease. Taking this brown, just going to go there, and if you notice, I am just packing that product in, dotting it in. Can you see? Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, what was I saying? Okay, we're talking about supporting your YouTube channel, how to promote yourself on YouTube. Yeah, so that's basically what I've been doing. I know it's not the best right now, but I'm still growing and hopefully we will get there. So it's a journey. We have to crawl first before we walk and then run. So at this point, I'm just learning to sit, not even standing yet. So guys, don't judge me. My videos might not be the best right now, but I'm just learning to sit down. So by the time I finish sitting, I'm going to learn to crawl. Yeah, it's a process. After crawling, we have to stand. After standing, then we walk before we start running. Okay, we are getting there. So if you're here, you like to support my channel, please share my videos with your friends. Hopefully it will help one or two. So that's basically how I do mine. And also I have an Instagram account, so I post on my Instagram and tell my Instagram followers to please go and watch it. A lot of them might not, but even if it's just 2 people that watch that video, it's something, guys. So don't be ashamed to share your video. Don't be ashamed to promote yourself. You just have to remember, all these big companies, they have marketing budget, so they are promoting themselves. So why can't we do the same? That is what I've been doing, and that's how I got to my 250 subscribers. Now I'm going to be using the purple color, but I'm just going to put that on top of this brown shade. Even though I'm using the same brush that I used to apply the brown shade, it just gives you that hint of purple. It's not so dark. I'm going to try and bring this closer to me so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to move my lens a little bit closer. Hopefully this way you are all in my personal business. Yeah, you can see all the blemishes, but it's fine. What I'm going to do is start from here. I'm just going to apply this product here for all my hooded eye sisters. This is a trick that you need to know. I'm going to put a lot of product here and then I look up. So you can see, that's why I need to cut my crease. You can see now the product is sort of transferred up. So that tells me when I'm cutting my crease, that's where I want it to be, from here. So you can see now it's my guideline. So from there I will work my way in and out. Does that make sense? I hope it does. If it doesn't, let me know in the comment section. If it does, let me know in the comment section. I like to see you guys in my comment, you know, all of you commenting and just sort of giving me your feedback. I sort of like that. So get engaged, engage with me, engage with me. I will be doing a get to know me, but I don't want to do that now. I'm waiting to when I hit 1,000 subscribers, then I'll do that video. So if you want to get to know me quicker, then share my videos, okay? So you see what I'm doing? I'm literally just following that initial line and I'm coming down, and for the inner corners of my eyes, I'm going to put a product here and I'm just going to go like that, and then and join that line. Can you see? So that's basically what I've done. Look at that. Look at the crease, because I've not set it. You always have to set. If you have hooded eyes and you are like me with the big space but it's hidden, no one sees it. I don't even remember where I stopped in terms of the YouTube promoting yourself kind of a thing. So anyhow, I'm not sure where I stopped. So basically what I'm doing right now, I'm just promoting myself on my social media, promoting myself with following some of the people, some of the groups on Facebook. So that's basically what I'm doing. So, and encouraging my friends to spread the news. Okay, now that that is set, I'm going to go back to this palette, this Zulu palette. The first shade I'm taking is the purple shade. Okay, I'm just going to pat that here. After that, so now I'm going to go in with the initial pink shade. It's very pigmented, so it shows a lot. So I just put a little bit and then I'm going to blend that. So before I go in with the glitter, I'm going to use this shade, apply that all over where I'm going to put the glitter. If you don't want to use glitter, you can actually just use only this color, this shimmer shade. It would also work, as you can see, although you still need to blend a little bit, but you can see it does the job as well, but it's not as sharp as with the glitter. So that's basically why we're going with glitter today. So far, if you are liking what you see and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload new videos. So the glitter I'm using today, it's called Pink Hologram. This is a loose glitter. I am going to be using a glitter glue. I am using this one from NYX. So I've just applied a little bit of glitter and I'm going to start from the middle. I'm starting from my middle first before going inward. So I'm just going to apply the glue. So put the glitter glue first. Because this is the pot, I'm just going to dip the same brush inside the pot and I'm going to put that right here. Let everything sink in. Can you see that? I don't know if the camera is doing justice, but hopefully it's showing on the camera so you guys can see. However, if you want to see some nice pictures that I've taken of this look, you can follow me on Instagram. So I always do section by section. I don't want to do everything in one go. And also I think that's very helpful if you have hooded eyes, like you don't want to have crease whilst you're doing one side. So it's always best to do section by section. Take your time. Okay, now we finish applying the glitter, but you can see that line of demarcation. We don't want that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, they are all like pulling each other apart. We want harmony, you know, like relationship. So the two of them have to cooperate. Guys, we don't want to see this line of demarcation. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take the same brush that I used initially with the same product. I'm not adding no new product. I'm just going to pat this in like here. I'm using the same brush, so I'm just going to use that to blend that line of demarcation, just blending it in and going out, in and going out. So right now they're in relationship, whether they want to get engaged, but they can't help it. They just have to get engaged and get married to each other. Okay, so that's basically what we're doing right now. The date is being set, so we have to ensure that this relationship lasts. Okay, so we're just blending this. Blend, continue to blend like there's no tomorrow. Right now, the marriage has taken place. Can you see now? They are married happily ever after. So this marriage is going to last a long time. I am going to be applying some lashes. Just going to go in and apply some lashes. The lashes are on. Can you see? This relationship had just had kids. They just had 2 children. This holy matrimony has just bare 2 kids, twins, a boy and a girl. Look at that. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and apply foundation on my face. So to finish the look, I am going to take this what we're just trying to do, just mirror whatever is on top underneath as well. So this step, like I said, you can completely skip, but I just think it kind of enhance the look and open up your eyes a little bit. So I'm just going to put that under here. Voila. Okay guys, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Do you like what you see? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Interact with me. Just interact with me in the comment section. If you like this look, let me know. And also, if you think there's any of your friend or family member that will benefit from this look, you know, we all have those girlfriends, you know, like somebody would like this. If you don't, some of your friends might. So why not just share my video? Share my video. Let this go viral. I'm joking. But share this video, guys. This look is fantastic. If you like what you see and you watch this video to this point and you still haven't subscribed to your girl, we are giving you those side eyes. Yes. I'm not sure what you're waiting for. Hit that subscribe button, guys, and don't forget to click the bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload new video. Okay guys, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next one. I hope you enjoy this. Bye.
See, I want you to know that I'm from a beautiful